again, and today we are going to bake a granola bars. And this is a very healthy treat for you that I want to share to you this recipe. And of course, for the ingredients, we need 460 gram of granola, 112 gram of melted butter, 120 gram of mini chocolate chips, 113 gram of honey, 100 gram of brown sugar, 3 grams of salt, 60 grams of raisins, 150 grams of mixed nuts, 60 grams of dried cranberries, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, let us start now. The first thing you need to do, you have to put the granola in the big bowl. Okay? The granola or the rolled oats. Okay? And then we need to add the melted butter. Melted butter. And then sugar. Brown sugar. Salt. Chocolate chips. Just put all together. It's no problem, okay? Dried cranberries. Of course, the raisins. The mixed nuts. And the last is the honey. Okay? We just mix all together. All the ingredients. Okay? Until incorporated. Of course, don't forget to put vanilla essence. We need 1 teaspoon. Okay? 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay? And then just mix all together until all ingredients are incorporated. It's very easy. You know, this is very easy, very healthy granola. Okay, granola bars for your breakfast. But make sure, guys, that you mix the ingredients all together evenly. Okay, so that all the ingredients are evenly distributed or evenly incorporated. Okay, mix it properly. Okay. You know, guys, I love it. This is one of the very healthy breakfast or snack as well. You know, I love granola. When you put it in the yogurt, also when you put it to a side bowl, there are many things to do with the granola. But today I want to do something new. Okay, just mix only like this until all granola is wet. Okay, coming wet by the honey and vanilla and with our butter. Okay, make sure it all over will be soaked with the honey. Okay, because honey, this is the binding ingredients here, and the brown sugar. Okay, after that, that's done. Okay, after that, line a baking pan. Okay, spray some oil all over. Spray some oil in line with the baking sheet or baking paper. Okay, this is very easy, you know, very easy to make, and you have to bake it for only 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, do not over bake. Okay, just put all together. Put everything to the baking pan or baking mold. Okay, and then we need to press it down. firmly, okay? Press it down firmly to the baking sheet or baking pan. Okay? Make sure it was leveled and press firmly. Okay? You know, it will be good if you use your hand to press it, okay? Press it with your clean hand, of course. Okay? Don't use dirty hands. If you have a gloves, use the gloves. Or you can use also the glass, okay? The down part of the glass to do it. Press it firmly, okay? So when we bake it, it was binding all together as a bars. So because if you did not press it firmly, it will becoming granola only. It will not be like a bar. Okay? I think I need the help of this mug by the down part of the mug, okay? Press it down like this. Or you can roll it like this as well. Okay? And now it's ready to bake. Bake it at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes only. Okay? Now let's go to the oven. Tcharam! It's done, guys. It's already baked. It smells so good, you know. So we need to cool it down, and then I will put it in a chiller for 2 hours before cutting into bars, okay? Let us just cool it down here, and later on I will put in the chiller, and after we will cut together and we will eat. Yay! Okay? I'll be back. So let us cut it now, guys. Okay? I take out already from the chiller. After 2 hours, let us cut. Okay? Very chewy, you know. Very chewy. Little bit harder to cut because my table is moving, you know. My table is moving. Very, 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 very nice granola bars. Okay. Sorry guys, I need my power to cut it. My table is not stable. That's why. Guys, now it's ready. Okay, like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded a new video for you. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching. You know guys, you can make also like a granola balls like this. All you need to do after baking, do not put inside the chiller. Just form a ball and divide it into small pieces. And again, this is Chef Deborah. I hope you enjoy baking with me.